Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 3 on gardening without edits. In the past 3 to 4 days, we've been having 32 degree Fahrenheit temperatures at nighttime, and I live in Central California, Zone 9B, and earlier this year I planted 2 mango trees, 2 hardy varieties that I was told were hardy varieties from someone that already grew them and has mangoes that actually fruit here. And something interesting is happening. I've noticed this morning where I just want to share with you something that happened with the mangoes. Well, at least the Manila mango. Let me show you that right now. Of course, Lulu's in the corner for the squirrels. Let me show you. This is the Manila here, that's bushier. It's a seedling variety. That's why it's grown out a lot more than the Glenn variety, which is grafted right over here. But if you look closely, and I'll put it on the zoom, you can see that it's producing new leaves. Even though we had 3 to 4 nights of 32 degree Fahrenheit. I know that's not that cold yet, but the coldest we really get here is about 30 degrees. Rare we get 28 to 26 degrees. That's very rare. And if that ever happens, I'll ensure that these trees will be nice and warm and toasty those nights. But it's doing really well. Pushing leaves is a very good sign. I don't see any others. I've cut them back so they get bushier for next year, which they are throwing out some new nodes, but no new leaves. So this is the Manila, and this is the Glen. Now, this you see here is diatomaceous earth and Ivy Organics to help with the summer heat, and obviously you don't need that anymore. But yeah, really cool. I'm glad. And the papayas are doing fine as well. Really happy. I can't wait for next year when these roots have more establishment. Happy gardening, everyone. Lulu, you gotta get over these squirrels.